Well, with showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast, the possibility of severe weather, figured we'd take a look at August overall and how we're doing with severe weather. And thankfully, usually August and September are relatively quiet months. No reports of tornadoes or hail across the entire state. We have had couple of dozen wind reports, though, from some thunderstorms earlier in the month. And you look at tornadoes overall across the entire country, we've had over 1,500 of them. That's the highest total to date since 2011. So this has certainly been a very active tornado season. I think as we get into this period of severe weather for us, I think thankfully, most likely, will be tornado free, but not thunderstorm free. We've got thunderstorms in the forecast today and Friday before things start to quiet down as we get into the weekend and into early next week, which is certainly good news. Notice here we start out dry, but as we get into the evening and the overnight, those chances for some showers and storms certainly start to increase. And you'll see that here with Futurecast, that increasing cloudiness, that's what we'll experience first, and then we'll see some storms moving toward us. Some of the models are saying they really don't hold together. Notice how quickly they dissipated once they crossed the Ohio River. It's the better chance after midnight. That's when we're looking at those widespread showers and thunderstorms. So anything this afternoon, I think, for the most part, should be weakening as it gets closer to us. You notice that slight risk here for counties right along the Ohio River, and those chances for severe weather later today decrease the further east that you go to more of an isolated chance for a severe storm. So we're going to say a couple of evening storms, certainly possible, but that better chance will come in the overnight hours, I think. Overall today, temperatures peaking in the lower 90s. That's right about where we should be for this time of the year. Low temperatures will be warmer than average. Haven't said that in a couple of days here, with those showers and thunderstorms increasing in coverage as we get closer toward dawn on Friday. But you know what? We have a couple of, it should mainly be a morning thing on Friday. Rest of Friday looks like it should be dry. As the actual front crosses early Saturday, we could get a couple of thunderstorms that would be relatively weak. Then rest of the weekend and into the extended period, for right now, looks relatively dry.